back. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. So I am excited because today we are going to be opening one of my favorite subscriptions, and that is Facetory. So this is the August 2019 Facetory. I get the Forever Fresh plan. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we'll get to opening. So it's a sheet mask subscription, obviously. And it says, once subscribed, our team of sheet mask lovers will send you a hand-picked selections of masks to you. Time for some self-pampering with your Facetory box. Sit back and relax with your sheet mask for radiant skin. Now, the Forever Fresh, you receive 4 sheet masks for only $8.90. I do have a link that I will put down below, and if you use that link to sign up, you will actually get a few bonus masks in your first box or bag. So you will be billed on the 1st of every month, and obviously, as with just about any subscription, you can cancel at any time. They do have another subscription level called the 7 Luxe, where you receive 7 luxurious sheet masks for $19.90 a month. And these are all billed monthly, free US shipping. They auto renew on the 1st. You cancel at any time. To receive the current month, you must be subscribed by the last day of that month. So this is the August 2019. So if you're interested in this, you actually have until August 31st to subscribe, and you will get this box or this set. So let's get in here. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. And if you use the link, it will get you a couple of extra masks in your first box. So let's get it open. I just love the variety that they send, and the fact that it's like, you know, the K-Beauty. It's always just fun. They're you know, cute masks, and I always enjoy it. He said my RA's giving me a fit. Like, I had a hard time opening that. And a few months back, they started this. They start to include a cute little postcard in every box. So this one says Forever Young. So super cute and adorable. And then there's always a card that tells you about your mask and the retail value of each of them, which I really like. And then you have your 4 masks. So let's see. The August Forever Fresh. This month, you'll be radiating with a youthful glow. Our August Forever Fresh kit will provide you with smooth and plump skin. You'll find sheet masks packed with moisturizing, balancing, and antioxidant-rich ingredients to help your skin feel rejuvenated. So, awesome. All right, so our first mask is a Facetory mask, and it says Everyday Pearl, shine bright like a pearl. No harsh chemicals. So this is a brightening mask right here. And it says, is your skin feeling dull and tired? This sheet mask is here to help. Become as smooth and shiny as a pearl. And the retail price for this is $3. And then the next mask is from Look at Me. I love this brand. I just love these masks. This is the Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask, smoothing and nourishing for all skin types. Super cute. Feel like a cute honey bear with this sheet mask. It contains ingredients to calm redness and moisturize the skin. With honey and sunflower seed oil, leaves your skin feeling soft as velvet, and it has a retail value of $3. And then I've noticed a lot of, this is like becoming, I've never seen sheet mask until recently with this, but I did use one and it worked really well. So I'm excited to have another one that is similar. From Blank Therapy, experience the finest quality purifying with Blank Therapy premium egg white sheet mask. So there is that. This is a perfect sheet mask for treating large pores. The Tencel Cupra fabric really allows the essence to sink into your skin. It's comfortable, soft, soothing, and dare we say, excellent. So you use this when your pores are unruly and your skin feels oily. This is our retail value of $2.50. So right there, we've the subscription is paid for. And we still have one more mask, and oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is a mellow cotton candy mask. It says protection. How cute is that? And cotton candy, yeah. This sheet mask will protect your skin and with the power of hydration and ferments. Reach for this one when you want to rebuild your skin barrier and add some awesome defense. When your skin is craving a sweet treatment, reach for this little candy O lady. This has a retail value of $2.50. All right, and it always does give you kind of tips. These are all pretty much kind of standard with sheet mask, but do not leave the mask on for over 30 minutes. Use the remaining essence to moisturize your neck and shoulders, and don't forget, your décolleté. Make sure to apply a moisturizer to lock in the essence of the mask. So that was the August 2019 Facetory. This was the Forever Fresh. Again, this is only $8.90. That is the actual price, so no tax, no shipping. That is what you pay. And like I said, they do have the 7 looks where you receive 7 luxurious sheet masks for $19.90 a month. I will make sure to put that link down below so you guys can get some free masks if you decide to sign up. Let me know what you think. Do you get Facetory? Do you enjoy it? Do you love it? I do. And don't forget about our subscriptions, our giveaways that are ending here shortly. So make sure you check those out. We have the Jeffree Star giveaway. We have the Rebecca Mail, which is actually a 3-month subscription giveaway, and then our 4,000 subscriber giveaway. So I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.